Shrimpo, we're at Chunky Sneeze.
I hate Chunky Sneeze.
Well, we're gonna go on the play place.
I hate play places. Play places smell like shit.
But guess what? You are a play place.
What do you mean by that?
No other way.
Okay.
Don't show my face.
Who are you?
I haven't shown my face at all on my YouTube channel yet.
Okay.
Do not show my face, or I swear to
Okay, I'm editing this, so I'll be like censoring your face. Yeah, this is our collab.
I hate.
Wait, what's your channel?
I hate Alice Paws.
I don't care.
Bro, yo! I'ma whip your ass!
Shrimpo hates being with you.
Yo!
He tried to snatch me again. What the
Birthday boy special.
What the hell are you? You know, I'm not that dumb.
I got Jacob Logan. Do you show your face?
Yeah.
And I got Atlas.
And I got Atlas Paws, it's an iPad.
I hate iPads. In fact, I hate Jacobs.
I swear to God, Shrimpo, I will play with you.
What do you mean by that?
Wait, wanna go on the trampoline? Shrimpo?
I hate trampolines.
Atlas Paws, you wanna go on the trampoline? Whoa, this looks like a really big jump.
I hate jumping.
Just start jumping, Shrimpo.
No.
Jump, Shrimpo.
No.
I said jump. Shrimpo, jump.
No.
Shrimpo, I said jump.
No.
Shrimpo,
Jump. I got serious brain damage.
Throw him across the room.
okay. Get Shrimpo. Get shampoo.
I hate shampoo.
Well, you are shampoo. You're shit.
Oh shit.
Let's go. Well, I wanna record this. Go meet Chuck E. Cheese.
Yo, say hello to Shrimpo.
Who are you? Who are you? High five.
What's up, bro?
I hated his guts. I hated his guts. I hated his guts. I hated it.
Mickey Mouse or Ricky Rat? No, one is Mickey Mouse, two is Ricky Rat.
Oh wait, I think it's.
I bet he said Ricky Rat.
I hate this. He's at number 2, Ricky Rat. I like Mickey Mouse. Who is he? Who are you? Can you tell me who is he? I don't know him, and I'd like to know.